The following message is transmitted at the request of what I am going to say to Satoru for all of the floods and devastation she caused. Satoru, if you are watching this, why did you flood numerous places in the United States? Do you even realize that you've caused a flood and devastation throughout the United States? What made you do all of this mess? Are you kidding me? You should realize how many areas in the United States have been suffering from extreme damage and floods, such as the following: Albany, New York; Cranford, New Jersey; Stamford, Connecticut; San Antonio, Texas; Miami, Florida; Jackson, Mississippi; Newark, New Jersey; Los Angeles, California; Fresno, California; Nashville, Tennessee; Salt Lake City, Utah; St. George, Utah; Houston, Texas; Corpus Christi, Texas; New Rochelle, New York; Lancaster, Pennsylvania; Philadelphia, Pennsylvania; Harrisburg, Pennsylvania; Wilmington, Delaware; Norfolk, Virginia; Richmond, Virginia; Charlotte, North Carolina; Indianapolis, Indiana; New Albany, Indiana; Louisville, Kentucky; Lexington, Kentucky; Black Mountain, North Carolina; Marion, North Carolina; Columbus, Ohio; Detroit, Michigan; Lansing, Michigan; Green Bay, Wisconsin; Portland, Oregon; Medford, Oregon; Cedar Rapids, Iowa; Davenport, Iowa; Des Moines, Iowa; Sioux City, Iowa; Rockford, Illinois; Bloomington, Illinois; Providence, Rhode Island; Yonkers, New York; Memphis, Tennessee; Kingsport, Tennessee, and many more. Why caused this destruction? What's the matter with you? Satoru, after I end this message, hopefully, you realize this, and hopefully one day you've apologized to everyone.